Oh my goodness, take 3. So let me see if I can talk faster. This is the headliner. Once a Esquire wide range humbucker, say that fast, and now a Esquire wide range humbucker rebuilt by Zach at Brandon Wound. So it's got the correct bobbins in there. These pole pieces are magnetized. It's got Alnico 3 slugs on the covered up ones. Ferrous chrome and copper, not cuneife. Doesn't matter. It's just the Goss that matters. It really sounds fantastic. 10.8 millimeter string pitch, bridge, stainless steel saddles, coil split, and then coil selector switch. That's just wired like a regular phase reverse switch in a 2 pickup guitar, volume and tone, nothing special, pure tone jack. And this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, position 1 goes straight to the jack. It's incredible. It sounds like a furious angel. Position 2, volume. Position 3, volume and tone. Position 4, volume and cocteau. Then position 5, volume and fixed dark tone, which is a little bit darker than it is when the tone control is rolled all the way off. This is 022, I'm pretty sure, and this is basically the equivalent of an 033, but it's wired the same way that the original Esquire dark on the 3-way switch was wired, just with different cap values, right? And it's a $20 pickguard from someplace, the Amazonian. I don't know. I haven't made a cover for this yet, and I don't know if I'm gonna. I can't decide if it's punky or corny. It's the same neck. It's a yet to be completely detail-y finished Tusk XL nut, Wilkinson Deluxe Tuners Music Lily string trees. The best Esquire I have yet built, but there's another one coming.